I built a contraption. So, in here I have a fridge compressor, and it's hooked up via relay to this digital pressure switch. And, I don't know what I was thinking when I thought, I should build that. And then I proceeded to spend many hours building exactly this thing today, when I should be cleaning, frankly. Um, ADHD moment. Anyways, so I guess part of the reasoning was, I'm too lazy to switch on and off my vacuum pumps while adjusting the venting valves so you don't have oil sucked back or water sucked back when I'm using my aspirator. I want a house vacuum line, just like every lab has. You just have a tap that says vacuum and you open it and it's a weak vacuum. So I guess I built that for this reason, but it works. I don't know. So I'll shut that stopcock so this is completely closed off. I switch that on. You'll see that turns on and starts pulling a vacuum down in the compressor, and the line, obviously. And I have this set to negative 90 kPa because that seems about the limit for the fridge compressor. There's no leak in here as far as I know. It's just the fridge compressor's own problem. It can go to like negative 96, but it takes a bit longer. But you can see it cycles down. And this will trip on again when it's 5 kPa below. Yeah, well, this is negative pressure. Whatever, you get it. It'll kick on again at 85. So I will open this to the desiccator. And it's obviously pulling a vacuum now and evacuating the desiccator. And this takes a while to evacuate because the fridge compressor is not particularly high flow rate. It's decent. It's better than a tiny little diaphragm pump, maybe. I don't know. But for the sake of brevity, I'll just close this off again, and you can see it cycles back to that vacuum. And obviously, I can adjust it if I wanted to, but I do not really care. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because unlike an aspirator, it doesn't pull as strong of a vacuum. It's not very robust because it's still an oil-bathed piston pump made of cast iron and steel and copper in there. So you can't run, you can't get water in the thing. You can't get too much moisture in it. You can't get solvent in it or it weakens the vacuum. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. And it leaks. Okay, that's leaking a bit fast. It leaks about 1 kPa per 3 seconds last I measured. It's leaking a bit fast. I don't know why.